Welcome to my next video, students. We will be discussing few more problems on type 2. Okay, so let us consider a new problem on type 2. The question says solve y double dash minus 4y dash plus 13y equal to cos 2x. y equal to cos 2x. This is a non-homogeneous linear differential equation where this comes under type 2. Why? Because we have a cos and sin. It is in the form of cos ax or sin ax. That's why it comes under type 2. So let us first find the first part of the solution, that is the complementary function. So to find the complementary function, we need to put this in the operator form. So writing the given equation in terms of an operator form, we get y double dash is the second order derivative minus 4y dash is the first order derivative plus 13 into y is equal to cos 2x, where we have d is equal to dy dx. Okay, so again auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation for this is given by f of m equal to 0, where m is being substituted for d here. So solving this quadratic equation, let us apply formula. We may not get factors for 13 to get minus 4. So applying quadratic formula, we get m is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substituting the values here, minus b, which is minus of minus 4 plus minus under root of minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into a is the coefficient of m square, which is 1, and c is the constant 13, the whole divided by 2a. A is again 1. Simplifying ahead, we get 4 plus minus under root of 16 minus 13 fours. Okay, yes, 13 fours is 16 minus, I'll write directly here. You're going to get a minus 36 within the root, whole divided by 2. Okay, so there is a negative sign inside the root. 4 plus minus root 36 I, because under root of minus 1 is I. So divided by 2, root 36 is 6. 4 plus minus 6i by 2. Taking out 2 common, we get 2 plus minus 3i divided by 2 gets cut. So our roots for the given quadratic equation are 2 plus minus 3i. Therefore, the first part of the solution, that is the complementary function, is given by c is equal to, so it's in the form of a plus ib. So e to the power, real part, that is 2x into c1 cos, imaginary part 3x plus c2 sin, imaginary part 3x. Okay, so this is the first part of your solution. Coming to the second part, we have to find particular integral yp is equal to phi of x divided by f of d. And phi of x in the given question is cos 2x divided by f of d is this in terms of operator d square minus 4d plus 13. And what is the rule for the type 2, guys? Rule is d should be replaced by, d square should be replaced by minus a square, and here a is the coefficient of x in the trigonometric form, that is minus 2 square. Okay, so replacing here by minus 2 square, let us see what do we get. So we get cos 2x as it is, whole divided by d square is replaced by 2 square, which is minus 4 minus 4d plus 13. Nothing should be substituted for d, d should be as it is. Okay, you guys have to be very careful here. Simplify here, minus 4 and plus 13. So we get cos 2x divided by 9 minus 4d. denominator, we cannot substitute and we can't even stop it here. This is not a final solution. So to get rid of the d here, we have to get a d square. To do that, what we'll do is we'll multiply and divide the denominator. Multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. So considering the conjugate here, 9 plus 4d. And if in case you have a plus sign here, you got to say consider minus here. Okay, just like that. How you were doing it for the complex terms. Okay. Anyways, so applying this, we have 9 cos 2x plus 4d times cos 2x. 4 into d times cos 2x. D is nothing but d by dx. Guys, you have to remember that. Whole divided by. The denominator will be in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A minus b into a plus b, which can be replaced by a square minus b square. That will be the denominator. So you are going to get 9 square minus 4d the whole square. This is equal to 9 cos 2x as it is. Okay. Let me write here only. 9 cos 2x as it is, absolutely no change. 4 as it is outside. D cos 2x. D is d by dx. That is a derivative of cos 2x. What is derivative of cos 2x, guys? Minus 2 sin 2x. Whole divided by. Denominator is going to become 81 minus 4 square d square. That is 16 d square. Now again, it is the second format of D, where a is nothing but coefficient of x in the trigonometric form, that is 2. So d square is being replaced by minus 2 square. So applying the particular integral part, we have 9 cos 2x as it is, plus into minus is minus 4 2's 8 sin 2x as it is, the numerator divided by, in the denominator it's going to become 81 minus 16 times minus 2 square. It's going to become 9 cos 2x minus 8 sin 2x whole divided by 81. Even though there is a negative sign, it's going to be positive. Okay, so 2 square is, because we have to be, it's going to be positive. Okay, so 2 square is 4, 16 4s is 64. Understood, guys? So you should not take a minus for the square and make it a plus. That will be wrong. Okay, always there is a negative sign. After that there is a square. Okay, so adding this, we get the denominator is going to be 1 by 45. 1 by 145. 9 cos 2x minus 8 sin 2x. Nothing that you can take out common. So this is our yp, the particular integral. So therefore the final solution is given by y is equal to yc plus yp, which is equal to yc, we have to write the entire thing, e raised to 2x into c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Next, yp part plus 1 by 145 as it is into 9 cos 2x minus 8 sin 2x. So this is how you should find it. Understood?